Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Cassie Oak. Today we have the GM-2100. This is going to also work for the GA-2100. So all Cassie Oak models that feature the module 5611. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are first going to be able to see set on the digital display, and then you are going to hear a small beep. Now the first thing that we can set is the hometown. As you can see, the home city is going to be Rome in this case. I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. Here we have the DST function. I'm going to go past that. And the first thing that we can set is the 24-hour display or the 12-hour display. If you prefer the 12-hour display, you are going to press the start button once and you'll be able to see the 12-hour display. In case you prefer military time, so the 24-hour display, we are going to press the button once again. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we are going to arrive at the seconds. If I press the button on the right and the seconds are between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. If I reset them between 1 and 29, as you can see, they reset to 0, but no minute is added. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can adjust the hours. I can either press the start button in order to go forward or the light button in order to go backwards. You can also press and hold any of the two buttons in order to speed scroll, so to move faster. As you can see, since I have the 24-hour display, I see 14:07, so not 2 p.m. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can adjust the minutes. Once again, you can go forward and you can go backwards. Then you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so to move faster. I'm going to make it 45. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and the first thing that we can set when it comes to the date is the year. So I'm going to set it to 2028. You can also go backwards, use the speed scroll function as well. Now I'm going to press the mode button again. The first thing that we can set is the month. So I'm going to make it December. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can set the day of the month. On all of these features, you can use the forward and the reverse button, so the start and the light button, and you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. Also, something really important to know is that if you select correctly the year, the month, and the day of the month, G Shock will automatically calculate the day of the week for you. So if you press the mode button once again, you can arrive at the key of the light function. We are going to go past that, and as you can see, we arrive once again at the beginning. So if you made a mistake, you can toggle using the mode button and you can change something. So for example, let's say it is 2027, and then once everything is done and you have everything correct, press the adjust button in order to finalize the process. As you can see, our digital time is 14:47, and now the analog time is going to match that. In case the digital time does not match the analog time, or you are being shown the wrong date, that means you need to do a hand alignment, so a hand reset on your Cassie Oak. I have a full guide on all the functions and features of the Cassie Oak, link in the description box below, guys, so make sure to check it out in case you want to know more. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow, especially if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. You are going to love our videos. And make sure to also leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. Thank you guys, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.